Okay, you're gonna plead to impeding traffic. True? Responsible or not responsible to that? What time is your first case scheduled to? You know?
Our first case.
I'm talking about here. I'm shocked. What's that?
8:40.
At 8:40?
First case. Yeah, we have two show.
Jeez. All right, I'll accept your plea. 150. Go right down to the cashier and take care of that, okay? Thank you. You have that to pay? You look confused. You all right? All right, good. Stephen James Brooks, 26G306900. Sadie.
Yep.
Right off the bat, this courtroom wastes absolutely no time. We're jumping straight into rapid fire cases, minor traffic violations, quick pleas, and immediate fines. But don't let that fool you. This is where patterns start to emerge. The judge is moving fast, but he's watching everything. Prior records, inconsistencies, even confusion from defendants. And trust me, what starts as routine is about to escalate into something far more serious. Stick around, because one of these cases is about to take a sharp turn into high-stakes territory involving alcohol, accountability, and a judge who does not play around.
Come here. You need to give me this. Your name, sir?
Stephen Brooks.
All right, you're gonna plead to impeding, right? Good. To that charge, responsible or not responsible? I'll accept the plea. 160 is your total. Cashier into the hall, okay?
Thought it was 150.
I do it. I charge what I charge. You have a prior 4 years ago, and that's what I'm gonna do, okay? They're not telling you I was only gonna charge 150 back there, were you? Did they?
Because she just had the same charge as me, so I thought it was.
She didn't have any priors. I don't know what to tell you. Trevette, Full Land Trevette, 25F 244-791. Morning, your name? Raise your right hand, please. Somebody swear affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you're giving these proceedings to the whole true self to you, God.
Yes.
Did you do all your community service?
No, I didn't do the 2 days. They marked it down that I did it, but I told the investigator I didn't.
All right, I'm gonna have to check on this. Have a seat, okay? Thank you. All right, John. Adriana Paliaview, 26T647413. Find my lawyers, all these lawyers.
Good day, Your Honor. Robert Curry appearing on behalf of Miss Adriana Polivu. Judge, the people in the back told me you were going to charge us anything and you were going to buy us a dinner at Outback Steakhouse.
Yeah.
Judge, we've sought relief to set aside the default. I don't know how this got lost in the system. Your office granted the relief. We spoke with the prosecutor. The prosecutors agreed, given my client's driving record, to either give me blockading or impeding. So you tell me which one. And it's a non-abstract
impedings here. That's
Okay.
fine. I'll set aside the default judgment. He's doing that by implication. He didn't address that. I don't think on the stip form here, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And
Thank you, Your Honor.
did they post a bond on this one, Heather?
I don't
Let me
believe
take-
so, Judge. I
Let
think
me
we
take
just
a
filed a
look, Judge.
motion.
I think we just did it on attorney's motion.
Fair
No,
enough.
there's no bond.
Fair enough. Okay, to the charge of impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, Your Honor.
Yeah, it was just an internal issue, right?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good enough. 150 is your total. I'll give them a week to pay. Give them till April the 2nd. Actually, yeah, 1 week to pay. Okay, is that gonna do it?
Your Honor, give me 2 weeks just because I want to make sure between the holidays and everything else.
4/9 at April 9th, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Enjoy your
Thanks.
holidays. Peace.
You too, thanks. Searcy. Jalen Dominic Searcy, 26T647832 A and B. What kind of case do you have? Is it going to formal hearing?
No.
What's the name of the defendant?
We worked with them.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna ask you to have a seat right there, right now, okay?
Oh, and me?
Yes, sir. Adam Adamatala, 26T647736.
Your Honor, Roman for sign, you have listed all.
All right, you're gonna plead to impeding?
That's correct. Yeah,
Res-
it's all that.
to that charge on his behalf, responsible or not responsible? All right, he's got to slow down here, right? I mean, it's getting a little 185 and I'll give him till the second, okay? Is that enough time?
Probably 2 weeks.
All right, I'll give him till the 9th, but tell him to slow down, okay? Thank you very much. Who do you have?
I have Mr. Fioretti.
Who do you have, Mr. Mays?
I've got Jalen Ross and Michael Wright.
All right, give me 1 second. I'm gonna take Fioretti first. Anthony Joseph Fioretti, file number 26G306834.
Good morning, Your Honor. Record James Schloss, 30720.
Okay. Your name.
Now, this is where the tone of the courtroom shifts completely. We've gone from simple traffic infractions to a serious alcohol-related offense. And listen carefully, because the judge is laying out the full weight of the law here. We're talking potential jail time, license suspension, heavy fines, and long-term consequences. But what really stands out is the defendant's admission. Multiple drinks, including whiskey, followed by an accident. And then comes the bombshell, a 0.367 blood alcohol level. That's not just over the legal limit, that's dangerously high. At this point, the judge isn't just processing a case, he's evaluating risk. Risk to the public, risk of repeat behavior, and whether this individual is taking responsibility seriously. So let me ask you, do you think someone in this situation deserves a second chance through treatment programs, or should the court go straight to punishment?
Anthony Fioretti?
This is gonna be a plea to operating while impaired. They're going to dismiss the super drunk. True?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if you plead to operating while impaired, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all 4 points. License suspension or revocation in accordance with your record and your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here today?
I did, Your
If you
Honor.
plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
I do, Your
The
Honor.
charge operating while visibly impaired. How do you plead?
Guilty, Your
Be
Honor.
operating a motor vehicle in the city of Gibraltar on Wilson near North Gibraltar on December 7 of 25 at 11:16 p.m.
I did, Your Honor.
Did you drink alcohol before?
I did.
What did you drink and how much?
Beer.
How many?
At least 1,000 stuff of water.
What else?
Uh,
Shots?
a couple shots, yeah.
What kind of shots?
Would have been Jameson, whiskey.
And you were involved in an accident?
I had tried to do a U-turn and I landed on the rock. Your Honor.
You had,
He was in a parking lot too.
you think that this happened at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Was this a blood draw? It was. Do you stipulate that this reading was accurate? 0.367?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you on probation or parole?
Pretrial services, I have an alcohol tether. After this, I had asked for it.
No. I'm asking you right now, are you on probation or parole?
No.
What about Monroe?
To Monroe, it's pretrial services, it's being dismissed, it's being dismissed no for second.
I don't,
What kind of case is that?
It's domestic.
Anybody force you to plead guilty or promise anything to induce you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
Did you ever have a prior alcohol related?
2019, Your Honor.
He better get into the sobriety court that I have, or he's going to jail.
this is what you mentioned last time.
Good, I'm glad I'm consistent.
And, he has, been in treatment, he's been going to AA as well, but, however, he needs to get into sobriety court, he's ready to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you get printed on this case yet?
I did. After the last case, I went up to.
You ordered him last time.
Who's Thomas Fioretti?
That's my father.
So he's going to get into sobriety court?
I'm not quite sure the mechanics of that. Is that something that goes through probation?
Here's what will happen if you want to do this. And I'm not threatening you, I'm just telling you with this breathalyzer, blood result, I should say, and you having a prior, you're going to go to jail if you don't get into sobriety court.
I understand, Your Honor.
Sobriety court, we put you on bond conditions today. You'd immediately get a sober-link device. You'd immediately start testing at your own expense right now. 3 times a week. You'd immediately get into treatment. You'd be going to AA, NA 3-4 times a week, like I ordered you to do before, right? I ordered 4 times or any combination of treatment and EA.
He has been doing that via Zoom. He has notations of that.
I thought I told them in person.
Um,
I did say in person. I wrote it down even. I don't know why these guys don't listen. Why haven't you been going in person?
Your Honor, I have a 50 to 60 hour week at work, and I have my daughter 4 days a week.
This right here is the moment everything comes into focus. The judge is no longer just explaining options. He's calling out behavior. When orders aren't followed exactly as given, especially in cases involving substance abuse, it raises a major red flag. And you can hear the frustration. This isn't just about missed meetings. It's about accountability and whether the defendant truly understands the seriousness of the situation. But here's where it gets interesting. The judge still offers a path forward, sobriety court. That's not leniency, that's structured intervention. It's strict, demanding, and requires real commitment. The alternative? Jail time. So the message is clear. This court isn't just about punishment. It's about preventing the next mistake before it becomes a tragedy. Oh, final takeaway. This case highlights a critical balance in the justice system: discipline versus rehabilitation. When someone shows signs of repeated risky behavior, the court has to decide, do we punish or do we try to fix the root problem? And in this case, the judge is giving one last structured chance to get it right. If you found this case as intense and eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Was the judge too harsh or completely justified? And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
I told you, did I not tell you to go in person? I know I did. Don't waffle on me. I mean, you got a problem here, son. No, I mean, no disrespect.
I understand, Your Honor.
I don't know why I have to repeat myself and people just change their own, make their own orders. I mean, you can put on the robe if you want. I mean, I guess I could come over there. You can. I'm gonna let it go this time. I'm not gonna let it go again.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So let me finish now. You'd be going to AA, NA, in person. You'd be in treatment. You'd be testing 3 times weekly at your own expense. You're on the sober link at your own expense. You'd have to come and meet with probation every other week, and you'll meet with me at a status review, either at 7:30 in the morning on Wednesdays or 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesdays, but I'm gonna move that afternoon session to Tuesdays come May 1st. So you can either come Wednesday morning or Tuesday afternoon, starting in May. We'll put you through a bond phase. If you're compliant, we think you're serious about getting yourself some help, we'll accept you into the program. Our grant funding will be used to pay for your testing, to pay for your sober link. If you have any deductibles, we can help you with that if you're not able to afford it. So at any rate, that's your options. And I'm gonna presume that you're going to go into sobriety court.
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, good. Sobriety court, but I don't want people in this that are just doing it either for a license or to stay out of jail. I gotta tell you, I've run this program. I'd rather do 90 days than go through sobriety court myself. I would. But that's not the point of it. The point of it is to get you some help so you don't kill yourself or kill somebody else. You get another one in the next 68 years and it's a felony.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? So Heather, I'm gonna take a date about 5-6 weeks out, okay?
will it be in one of my house council days?
Yeah, we'll give you a date on that. So about the end of April, I'm gonna say early May, maybe.
We have Gibraltar here on May 7th.
How about that day?
Is it a Thursday?
Yes, it is.
That'll be fine.
May 7th at 8:30, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
But you gotta go meet with probation. Give this a lot of thought, even if you change your mind. I'd rather you come and tell me now than start the program and fail it.
No, I'm fully committed to the
All
program.
right, well, that's good. Okay, good enough. Good luck. Go down the hall, get your notice, then go meet with probation.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Judge.
Thank you.
All right. Michael.